I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the Canva video editing app. Canva makes video creation accessible to everyone, offering a user-friendly platform to bring your visual stories to life. You can easily combine clips, add music, and incorporate stunning graphics. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced creator, Canva provides all the tools you need to produce professional quality videos in just a few simple steps, saving you valuable time and effort. To begin your video project, first select from hundreds of pre-designed templates or start with a blank canvas. Next, upload your own media, such as photos and video clips, or explore Canva's vast library of stock content. Remember to set your video dimensions appropriately for platforms like Instagram or YouTube. Organizing your assets in the media library ensures a smooth and efficient editing workflow from the very start. Once your assets are ready, drag and drop them onto the timeline to arrange your video sequence. Utilize the intuitive split and trim tools to precisely cut and shorten clips, ensuring perfect timing. Enhance visual appeal by adding smooth transitions between scenes, creating a professional flow. Don't forget to incorporate background music and sound effects from Canva's extensive audio collection to truly elevate your video's impact. Before finalizing, always preview your entire video to catch any last-minute adjustments. When you are satisfied, choose your preferred video quality and file format, such as MP4, for export. Canva allows you to download your finished video directly to your device in high definition. You can then effortlessly share your polished creation across various social media platforms, reaching your audience with compelling visual content.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.